Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Cut power, remove batteries, and unplug the cable to prevent short circuits. Once done, flip the keyboard over and gently shake to expel pooled liquid. This removes most free moisture quickly. Then pat exposed areas with a lint-free cloth to absorb surface wetness while avoiding rubbing, which drives liquid deeper. Finally, use short bursts of low-pressure compressed air across keys to push fluid out of crevices. This reduces trapped moisture and speeds drying before deeper steps. Next, remove keycaps using a puller and keep a reference photo so you reassemble correctly. Once exposed, detach the switch modules or loosen the top plate if possible to access the PCB and contact points. Clean sticky residues with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Alcohol displaces water and evaporates fast, preventing corrosion. After cleaning, lay components on an absorbent surface and let them dry for 24 to 48 hours. Add silica gel. When parts are fully dry, reassemble the keyboard using your reference photo. Make sure ribbon cables and connectors seat fully and that no screws bridge components. Plug it in and test incrementally. Start with power and a few keys, then run a keyboard tester to confirm all switches register. If keys remain unresponsive or behave erratically, corrosion or PCB damage may be present, so consider replacing the PCB or individual switches. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent issues persist, open and inspect for corrosion, then re-clean with alcohol.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.